Success inspirational story. A journey of passion and purpose. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and quaint countryside, lived a determined and passionate individual named Alex. From a young age, Alex had dreams of becoming a successful entrepreneur, and those dreams fueled an unyielding desire to create something meaningful for the world. As a child, Alex was always coming up with imaginative ways to solve everyday problems, whether it was a lemonade stand on hot summer days or creating handcrafted gifts for family and friends during the holidays. The entrepreneurial spirit was ingrained in every fiber of their being. Fast forward to adulthood, Alex had completed their education and acquired valuable experience working for various companies in the same industry. But deep inside, they knew their true calling was to start their own business. With a heart full of ambition and a head brimming with ideas, Alex took the leap and founded a startup called Nature's Delights. The vision was to provide locally sourced, organic, and eco-friendly products that celebrated the beauty of nature and supported sustainable practices. The beginning was challenging, as any entrepreneurial journey is. Alex faced sleepless nights, tight budgets, and doubts from others who couldn't fully grasp the magnitude of their vision. However, with unwavering determination, they continued to push forward, fueled by the belief that their business could make a positive impact on the world. In the early days, Alex spent countless hours connecting with local farmers, artisans, and craftsmen, building a network of like-minded individuals who shared the same passion for sustainable living. They curated a collection of products ranging from natural skincare to artisanal home decor, each telling a story of its origin and purpose. Despite the challenges, Alex's hard work and dedication began to bear fruit. Word spread like wildfire about Nature's Delights, and the demand for their products soared. Their unique branding and commitment to environmental consciousness set them apart in a crowded market, attracting a loyal customer base that appreciated the authenticity of the brand. As sales grew, so did the company's impact. Alex became deeply involved in community initiatives, supporting local farmers and artisans, and championing environmental causes. Nature's Delights not only transformed the lives of its customers but also positively influenced the lives of those it partnered with, creating a ripple effect of prosperity and sustainability. With increasing success came new challenges. Alex had to navigate scaling the business while staying true to their values. They carefully expanded their team, handpicking individuals who shared their vision and passion, and instilled a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. Nature's Delights expanded its reach beyond the small town, venturing into e-commerce, and soon became a national brand with a global impact. Customers around the world embraced the company's ethos, recognizing that their purchase was making a difference in preserving the planet for future generations. As years passed, Nature's Delights continued to thrive. Alex's entrepreneurial journey was marked with ups and downs, but they remained steadfast in their commitment to growth and sustainability. Their story became an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and a testament to the power of pursuing one's passion with unwavering dedication. Today, Nature's Delights stands as a shining example of a business that started from humble beginnings and grew into an international success story. Their story became an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and a testament to the power of pursuing one's passion with unwavering dedication. Today, Nature's Delights stands as a shining example of a business that started from humble beginnings and grew into an international success story. Alex's vision, coupled with the relentless pursuit of their dream, allowed them to create not only a thriving business but a legacy that embraced nature's wonders and nurtured a greener, more compassionate world for all. And so, their journey, driven by passion and purpose, continues to inspire generations to come.